Rosehearty was, within living memory, the centre of the old building which provided boats along the Buckinghamshire, parts of the west coast and Northern Ireland. In some areas of the west coast, up to a quarter of the small boats were built by one or other of 3 Rosehearty boat builders. As a result, it was decided to build a traditional Zulu sail yawl as part of the Rosehearty project, and it was agreed that the Lloyd George FR 348 built by John Taylor in 1908 was a good model to recreate, as she was a fast and easily handled yawl. One of the volunteers is a direct descendant of John Taylor, and the yawl is to be built in part of the boat shed in Pitsligo Street occupied by Charlie Gordon, the last carpenter to build a small clinker craft in Rosehearty.
Well, this is called a clinker planker, overlapping planker, and then the fishing boats, as you see them nowadays, the bigger fishing boats, the smooth sides, that's called a cargo planker.
We're looking at the naval launch, which has been with us for over 4 years now, and of course it originally came from Mary and her husband Alistair. There it is as it used to be.
Yes.
And here it is as it is now.
Just amazing.
But my, has there been a lot going on in between.
Yes. Oh.
Mary's really here because the yawl came from her and her husband Alistair in the first place, didn't it, Mary?
Yes, it did. It was Alistair actually found it on the pier in Dunbar, and he bought it, made a trailer to bring it back up here, brought it up here and put it in the garage, and then decided that perhaps the best place for it would be here.
Amazing. Good decision.
Yeah, it's just beautiful.
A lot of pride. A labour of love, really.
Yes, well, you can see how much detail and care they took when they were doing the repairs, because it just takes wonderful. So I think the name is just amazing, and I really would like to show everyone's appreciation to the 2 pupils who, in the competition for naming the boat, came up with the same name, which was really, just shows you what a good name it was. So I would very much like, on behalf of the Rosehearty Boat Project, to present the prizes to Logan Simpson. And it was that Ryan Nichol also decided that the Rosehearty Adventurer would be a good name. So Ryan, here we go.
Well, that brings us to the end of this DVD. Thank you all for watching, and thank you particularly for those of you that bought the DVD.
Yes, because the money will be going towards the next project, and the next project is going to be a bigger yawl than the Pride of Rosehearty, and we're all looking forward to seeing that take shape.
That's grand. So, thank you all again very much. Goodbye.